Hey Mary, this is Jacob at Tameron Hyundai. I want to say thank you for inquiring on the 2014 Nissan Altima that I have right here behind me. This vehicle is clean on the inside and outside with only 118,000 miles. So come with me and let me show you a little bit of the inside of this vehicle. Vehicle gonna have push button start on the vehicle. You got Bluetooth on this vehicle. This vehicle is gonna be great if it's a commute car, great gas mileage with the Altimas. Long-lasting vehicles. These vehicles are great pricing right now that we have for October. So give me a call at 256-523-8763. Again, that's 256-523-8763. Set up a time for you to come down and take a test drive. When you get Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated.